Hello, dear children, good morning. Today we are going to learn the grammar part of our fourth chapter, the tug of war. Okay, children, all of you open your worksheets. In our previous class, we have learned hard words, meanings, question and answers of the chapter, the tug of war. And in today's class, we are going to learn grammar. Okay. See adverbs. Before going to know adverbs, we have to know what is a verb. What is a verb, children? Verbs are words that show action like sing, okay, occurrence or state of being exist. Verbs are words that show an action, occurrence or state of being exist. Almost every sentence require a verb. Okay, what is a verb, children? Verb or words that show an action, occurrence or state of being exist. Okay, now what is an adverb? What is an adverb? An adverb is a word or an expression that modifies a verb. An adverb is a word or an expression, okay, that modifies a verb. So an adverb modifies a verb with a word or an expression, okay. See here adverbs. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs tells us more about verbs. Yes. Some adverbs tells you how the action is done by the verb. For example, the hippo was dozing peacefully in his pool. Here, the adverb peacefully tells you how the hippo was dozing. It is an adverb of manner. So, some adverbs tells us about verbs and some adverbs tells us the action is done by the verb. So, here the peacefully is an adverb. Okay. The hippo was dozing peacefully in his pool. So, this adverb tells us the hippo was dozing in the pool. Okay. And the other example is the hare crept towards hippo slowly. Okay. Next comes adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. Some adverbs tells you when or what time an action is done. So some adverbs tells us the particular action of the time. Okay, for example, you will find hippo still searching the river banks at night. Here, at night and still tells us when or at what time hippo searches for hare. So, when does hippo searches for hare? At night. At what time? Still. Okay. These are adverbs of time. So, the adverbs tells us a particular time or when or at what time an action is done. Okay. So other adverbs of time include later, now, yesterday, today. For example, we shall read this book tomorrow. Okay, like this. Now, adverbs of places. Some adverbs tells you where an action took place. So, some adverbs tells us where an exact action where it took place. Okay, when they saw Mohan there, the friends were so happy. Here there is an adverb and it is showing where the action took place. Here there is an adverb of place. It shows the place where they find Mohan. Okay. For example, I cannot I cannot tie anywhere. Next one, adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs tells us how often an action is performed. So some adverbs will tell the frequency of an action. For example, Shilpa always loved to play with her friends. Here always, the adverb always tells us how often Shilpa loved to play with her friends. Okay. Other adverbs of frequency includes never, sometimes, usually, often and rarely. For example, Rhino had never played a tug of war before the hare forced him to do. Okay. Next comes compound adjectives. What is compound adjectives? A compound adjective is formed when two or more adjectives are joined together to modify the same noun. So, if there is a noun, if there is a same noun, and in order to modify the same noun, the compound adjective will be formed to join two or more adjectives to modify the same noun. Okay. For example, this is why Mohan is so bad-tempered. Some of the compound adjectives includes long-lasting, green-eyed, well-trained, brightly lit, heartbreaking. Okay, this is about the grammar part of our third chapter, the tug of war. Okay, children, once go through this grammar part. Bye, children. Thank you.